This rechargeable flashlight has 9 lighting modes, including UV light. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Here are the 9 modes: steady, brighter, even brighter, flash. You can switch to this light beam. Goes red, red flashing, and UV light. That's a lot of features. This is great when you go hiking, camping, or just doing general repairs. Anywhere you need light, this flashlight would be a good choice. This dual-sided clip is good for either putting in your pocket or sliding on the brim of your hat. Works good. Now I have this attached to my hat, and I am ready to walk the dogs and see where everything is at. This is also magnetic. Overall, this flashlight is rugged, it's durable, it's great for practically any use you can throw at it. I really like it.